Meet the Hampton Bay II hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Whether you're unwinding solo or hosting friends, the Hampton Bay II has got you covered. With room for 5, it's perfect for family time with 2 loungers and 3 seats. The Hampton Bay II hot tub measures at 2050 by 2050 by 780 millimeters and runs on a simple 13 AMP supply. Boasting 38 powerful jets, 3 fountains, and a mesmerizing 10-inch waterfall, relaxation is just a button press away. A user-friendly control panel, 23 LED lights, and a 2K doubled heater for year-round comfort. Enhanced insulation keeps the heat in and the energy bills low. And the best part? It comes with free steps, an insulating cover, filter and delivery and installation anywhere in the UK mainland. Want to spread the cost? Enjoy 0% or 4.9% APR finance offers. So why wait? Dive into luxury with the Hampton Bay II hot tub from Blue Whale Spa.